Good morning. How are you guys today? I hope everyone is well. I am getting ready to show you some more stuff today. Yesterday we talked about slopes and how to find parallel slopes and how to find perpendicular slopes. We're going to continue that today and write the equation of lines with these slopes. So I'm going over here to my document camera and we're going to look at some of these. Right? So, what you have today, you're going to have 10 problems today, and you're going to be matching. And it will look something like this. Find the equation of a line that passes through a point, 1, 7, and is parallel to this line. Well, first of all, I see that it's parallel. So I know I'm going to look at a parallel slope. The slope on this line right here is 3. I can see that the slope is 3, so my parallel slope is going to be 3. And what I'm going to do then is I'm going to write an equation of a line through the point 1, 7, and is parallel to y equals 3x plus 9. If you remember, we had our point slope formula where we have the slope and a point. And this is our point slope formula. Y minus y1 is equal to m times the quantity x minus x1. I know that the slope is 3 and my point is 1, 7. This is the x1 and here is my y1 value on these. So I'm going to put it into my formula. Y minus y1 is 7. My slope is 3 times the quantity x minus x1, which is 1. Now what I'm going to need to do, I'm going to distribute the 3. So on the left side, I'm just going to put the y minus 7. And I have 3 times x is 3x. 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. To get this into y equals mx plus b, I need to add 7 to both sides. And I have y on the left side, because the 7's cancel, is equal to 3x plus 4. So the equation of a line that passes through 1, 7, and it's parallel to y equals 3x plus 9 would be y equals 3x plus 4. We can see that these lines are going to be parallel because they have the exact same slope and they have a different y-intercept. So the next thing that we want to do, what if we want to find the equation of a line that passes through this point, 1, 7, but it is going to be perpendicular to y equals 3x plus 9. I know here that my slope is 3. And yesterday we saw that a perpendicular slope, we're going to write perpendicular like this, perpendicular slope. I'm going to change the sign. If it's positive, I'm going to make it, and this one's positive, I'm going to make it negative, and I'm going to flip it. This is the same as 3 over 1. So my perpendicular slope is going to be negative 1 over 3. I'm going through the same point, 1, 7. So I'm going to put it into the same formula. So I have y minus my y1 is 7 is equal to the slope that's perpendicular, negative 1/3, times the quantity x minus 1. I have y minus 7 is equal to, I need to distribute the negative 1/3. Negative 1/3 times x is negative 1/3 x. Negative 1/3 times negative 1 is positive 1/3. Now I'm going to add 7 to both sides, just like I did in the previous one. And I have y is equal to negative 1/3 x plus, and this is going to be 22 over 3. One of the things I want to show you is over here. Let me see if I can get back to Desmos. If you remember, we got, yeah, right here. We took Desmos and we brought Desmos, and I made sure that everyone downloaded it on their Chromebook the Friday before we were out of school. And if I have in here, I had 1/3, whoops, I had 1/3, and I wanted to add, excuse me, add 7 to that. You see down here, it gives me 7.33333333. If I want that as a fraction, see this little bar right here? I'm going to hit that, and it's going to change it to 22 over 3, which is exactly what we had on our paper down there. So I just want to say that I hope you guys have a great day. You will find your assignment underneath this video. And have a great day. I will be available if you have any questions. Talk to you soon. Goodbye.